This is an old song I wrote, and this guitar is tuned down a whole step than what I'm used to playing. So those are excuses.
It's gonna be great.
Excuses make
Let's be the way we used to be, afraid of almost every goddamn thing we see. It sounds good to me, 'cause the future is coming, but the past is where we wanna be.
something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, good. Great. Come on.
Let's sing the way we used to sing, shy and soft-spoken, and of course out of key. It sounds good to me, 'cause the future is coming, but the past is where we wanna be. I'm gonna build a time machine to be the same sad, lonely boy that I've still managed to be. But back then it didn't matter as much to me, 'cause the future is coming, but the past is where I wanna be. And maybe I'd get another chance to change a few things.